Hey loves, welcome back. It's me, Jessica, also known as Mrs. Jezzy, and thank you so much for clicking on today's video. And welcome if you are new, stopping by for the first time. My name is Jessica. I am a working stay-at-home mom to 4. I have 2 boys and 2 girls, and in today's video you are going to see some bedroom motivation. This is my son's bedroom. Both my boys share a bedroom, and same with my girls. And my goal this year is to declutter my home, so that is what I am going to be doing. The room is not dirty. You know that you've all have seen worse, but I really want to tackle their closets and the cubicle baskets. They just really need to be cleaned out, decluttered, organized, and that is my goal for today. So if you are here for some organization and decluttering motivation, you are in the right place. Again, it's my boys' room, and if you're ready, please grab your cup of coffee, your cup of tea, a snack, or if you want to tackle a closet or a cabinet with me, let's do this. Okay, love, so like I said, I am going to be decluttering and organizing as much as I can in the boys' room today. And the first thing I am going to do is take out this hamper. I know that they don't have a lot of space in their room, but I do need somewhere for their clothes or their dirty clothes to be. I don't have room in the laundry room, and it was just ideal for me to purchase that and bring it in their room. That way I can slide it in and out on the days that I do their laundry. But I am going to start off by taking out all the little bins that are in their closet. There are so many bins in here. They used to have more cubicle shelves, but you know, they're not very sturdy, the ones that I had. So I had to get rid of them, and that's where all these other little baskets come from. And if you remember a couple of videos back, I mentioned that I had took down the boys' loft beds, and under those beds is where I had those cubicles because they love to play games. So I had those there, and since I've gotten rid of that and the loft beds, on that day that I was doing that, I shoved all of this stuff in their closet, and that is why I am just now getting back to it today. So please don't think that that's my boys shoving things in there. That was me, because I did that right before my son's birthday party, and just to make sure that their room was clean, I put all of the bins in there and just closed the door and walked away.
I'm laying down it to compile it. Oh no, I see you only when you're ballin'. Oh no, I don't even care to doubt. I'll see you in a while, cause this time I will choose you, yeah. Now choose. You know exactly how to look like this. Holding in a bag full of goods and needs. I need a night like this. It's a risk, cause you're using it. You've got all your secrets. I can't seem to move this thing. You're pulling me out and I'm right back in the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway, waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I don't wanna seem to shaky. Oh no, like I'm sudden but unsteady. Oh no, and they tell me to move on, cause I deserve more, but still I wanna choose you, yeah. Now choose. You know exactly.
Let's use that first. Okay guys, so I am finally back on camera. I think the last thing that I was filming was I was taking out little baskets out of the closet, and I kind of got carried away. I had organized all the bins, like whatever I had for Legos and electronics and Hot Wheels and stuff like that. And I started cleaning out, excuse me, Lala. I started cleaning out the cubicle thing right here. And then I decided well, not anymore, but at that time I was thinking I didn't want to keep it in the closet anymore. So I started to move it out. And when I was moving it out, there's some shelves that you guys, I showed y'all at the beginning, there's some shelving there, and it has like a whole bunch of stuff stacked on each one. Well, on the very top I had some stuff up there of Julian's, and when I was pulling out the cubicle, it hit that shelf and knocked over everything that was on top of the shelf. And Julian has this Star Wars, it's a toaster, and if you know Star Wars, it's Darth Vader, and he has, the way his mask is, or his helmet, whatever it is, it has like some points in the front. Well, when it fell down, it hit me in the head, and it what do you call it? Ripped. Not ripped. It busted my head open, and I didn't realize it at the time when it first hit me. It hurt, but I was leaning up against the closet door and I was just holding my head like really tight, like, man, it hurt so bad. But I didn't realize that my head was split open until the kids came in to check on me, and I guess I moved my hand, and Julian was like, Mom's bleeding from her head. Anyways, Natalie had to rush me to the hospital where I got 5 staples in my head, and I don't know if you guys can even see them really, but they're right here in this area. I'll put a picture or a video of us in the hospital, but I ended up getting 5 stitches in my head, and then during that process I found out that I have high blood pressure, so they want me to keep cool. And whenever I'm done talking to you, I'm gonna turn the camera around and I'm gonna show you that I actually made a bigger mess than what the room started, because I was organizing and decluttering. But because I'm not able to continue to work, my girls said that they would do it for me, so I appreciate them so much. So the rest of the video is going to be the girls just getting the room back in order. It's not going to be what I expected. I was going to paint that wall, and I was going to put some shelves on the wall for the boys for like the toys that they don't play with but we're not going to get rid of, and I can't do all of that anymore. So that's just going to be in another video. But so we can continue on this video, because what I was starting to do this morning was a lot of work and I want to make sure it's done. The girls are going to clean up. So what they're going to do pretty much is put all the bins that I've already organized away. They're going to wipe down the cubicles and just sweep the floor and get rid of the trash. So if you're new to my channel, these are my 2 daughters. This is Natalie.
Hi.
And that's Helena.
Hi.
And they are going to finish everything for Mama, because they know that Mom really wanted to do this video today. So I'm gonna chill, and I'm gonna let the girls take care of this for me, so we can still give you a motivating video, at least, you know, just picking up the mess that I made. So here's my babies. They are going to finish off this video for me, and then of course in the voiceover I'll hop back on so you guys can see the finished product. Okay?
Yep.
So this is the way that I left the room. As you can see, I have a trash bag full of things that I was getting rid of. I started organizing. This big bin right here is full of Legos. I had bins of Hot Wheels, of Roblox, Minecraft toys. Like I was on a roll, and this accident happened, and it put me behind a lot. But I am so thankful and grateful for my girls helping me out, because they knew that I definitely was not going to be able to sleep leaving this room like this.
Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Oh, would you call me on my sins? You think that you're under my skin. I just wanna wake up in my bed speak so loud even though I hide. Like I'm hypnotized, can't get out of here. You don't know me, I just need my time. Yeah, but they say I don't know where you come from. I don't. You seem too nice to be alone. So lonely. I see you going through some things and I just wanna help. I don't know how to make it clearer. I just wanna go home alone. I need some time alone. Yeah, you look perfect, you're my type. Sweet and you care about my night. But I'm sobering up and this moment's past. Oh yeah, I don't wanna be tucked in someone else's arms. Cause my heart just broke and I need my time. Wanna speak so loud even though I hide. Like I'm hypnotized, can't get out of here. You don't know me, I just need my time. Yeah, but they say I don't know where you come from. I don't. You seem too nice to be alone. So lonely. I see you going through some things and I just wanna help. I don't know how to make it clearer. I just wanna go home alone. I need some time alone. I see you going through some things and I just wanna help. I don't know how to make it clearer. But they say I don't know where you come from. I don't. But you seem too nice to be alone. So lonely. I see you going through some things and I just wanna help. I don't know how to make it clearer. I just wanna go home alone. I need some time alone. I wanna go home alone. I wanna go home. I just wanna go home alone. I wanna go home. Some time. I kinda simple, kinda wishful about things, and you're kinda simple, but like a pistol, you fire. Sometimes you get under my skin like a lover, and sometimes you don't wanna come back 'cause you'd rather stay out with another. Talking to strangers and make out spontaneously. Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about the drunk nights, bragging in the glory. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. I get it. Oh, I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. Don't you get it? Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself. And the way of how you dwell, I get it. Don't you get it? Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself. And the way of how you dwell, I get it. Don't you get it? No.
Okay, loves, we have reached the end of the video. If you are still here, please drop any kind of gaming emoji down below, whether it's a headset, a remote control, whatever the case may be. I know that the girls and I truly appreciate each and every one of you who watched the video all the way through. Every time you watch the video all the way through and you like, you subscribe, you share, you comment, any activity on my channel helps so much, and I appreciate it. To all of my oldies but goodies, thank you so much for always coming back and supporting my channel. I will say it in every video, no matter how long or how short the video is. I will always take the time to say thank you for always coming back and supporting my channel. To all of my new subscribers, guys, I am amazed that I have gained 75 subscribers in the past 3 weeks. And I just want to tell each and every one of you, thank you so much for joining my YouTube family. I am so happy, so thankful to have you here. And I am looking forward to all of the new comments from you guys from today forward. I also want to give a big thank you to all of the ones who watch my channel and have yet to subscribe. You are taking the time out of your day to watch, and I appreciate that because that is time that I would never be able to give back to you. So again, thank you for watching, but I do hope that you consider subscribing one day. Thank you all for joining me today. Thank you all for sticking through the change of me starting the video and my girls finishing it. Today's accident was unexpected, and I cannot believe that happened to me. But hey, 5 staples later in the head, I'm still here, still trying to get the videos out to you guys. But when I tell you that after I am done with this voiceover and this video is uploaded, I will take the time to rest because I definitely need it. I can feel it, I can hear it. It's time to rest. But thank you so much for watching, and I will definitely see you all in the next one. XOXO. Love, Jessie.